Okay, so in this video, I'm going to transfer my WITHINGS Body Scan 2 to my account. So let me log in. On the left-hand side, I'm going to go to the WITHINGS app. And then let's see if I click on pair. So I'm clicking the button. Measure. So I think if I just hold it, 1, 2, I'm holding it now over here. Let's see if that makes a difference. Oh, there you go. It's come up. It's got the little scan. Oh, there you go. Connect. Let's generate a code on your body scan 2. Cool. Body scan, whatever. So I'm just going to put you to the side. The code that I see there is just typing it in. So on the screen over there, I'm put it in. So I've got that there. I've entered my pairing code. Okay, setup in progress. So it's busy going. And now it's busy updating. And over here, you can see it's busy going. So it's 1%, 2%. Yeah, 3. Sorry for the barking. My dogs. If you haven't seen it already, I did an unboxing video where I basically just unboxed it, had a first looks, and then this is now the setup video. 25%. Okay, just pulled a little bit there, so 67%. And then over here, see it's 67%. Oh, by the way, whilst I was charging this, I realized that like if you look to the sides here, you can actually like see the, might have to see it more with the human eye, but if you actually look in here, you can actually see a bit of a board. So if anybody ever gets this, I would say this is not waterproof, because if water gets in here, good luck. Okay, 88, we are 90. So updating device. Okay, 99%. 99. As I said, there was a 6-digit code earlier that showed here that wasn't sure if it was safe to show or not. Okay, it's restarting the device. Okay, that's gone off there. It still said restarting. Okay, setup in progress. So let's connect your device to your Wi-Fi. So I'm just picking my Wi-Fi, entering the code. Okay, so connecting. So it's joining it. So it burns when IP is my Wi-Fi name. Still set up in progress. I guess this is just so that it works around all over. It's spinning here. Ooh, I might have put the password in wrong. Hold on. Okay, so that should be the correct Wi-Fi. I was missing out a number. Here, successfully joined. So now it's being securely staying. Save your Wi-Fi for next time. Yes, save it. So it's carrying on. You unlocked 1 new cardio checkup review. Cool. And then explore features. So I'm just going to push you away. Over here it says, I wonder if I can have them on both. Pretty much. So that's like that. I'm going to click explore features. So now it says how to use. Got this guy here. So grab the handles with both hands. And then with each hand on the correct side, your thumbs should touch the electrodes below the screen, and fingers and the electrodes on the back of the handle. So that's pretty much, I'd say, thumbs here and then fingers on the back of the handle where it's silver. Set up on your scale barefoot. You should be centered on horizontal straps. Okay, so it's like that, feet, and then stand up until your measure cycle has been complete, which looks like it kind of just goes up to his hips. Okay. Then avoid skin to skin contact, so raise your arms slightly upward and spread your thighs apart to make sure they are not touching the rest of the body. Wear light undergarment to avoid any skin to skin contact on your next measurement. So you can kind of see here her arms aren't touching. I think when I do this, I'll do it when I wake up in the mornings. Okay, click done. So still nothing there. Okay, so body scan 2 guides, that's done. Activate features and then share, and done. So I'm gonna click away, clicking this one. So activate hypertension notifications. Why not? So how hypertension notifications work. High blood pressure is a condition that causes damage to your heart, blood vessels, and other organs. Hypertension notifications does not measure your blood pressure based on your heart data collected or WITHINGS device. It searches for patterns associated with hypertension. So cool. Okay, I have to follow all this. That's another day. Activate and discover ECG. So what is an ECG? So that's fine. Then discover 6 composites. Cool. And then blood oxygen. Okay. And then nerve response score. So your nerve response score indicates your nervous system control of sweat gland activity in your feet. Low score indicates low sweat glands activity may be improved through healthy eating, regular exercise, and working with your doctor to manage your potential issues. Sweet. So I'm going to pan away. I'm going to click done. So done. Wants me to say, could you tell us your device installation? It wasn't too bad. Push this away, and then pretty much it's the normal WITHINGS app. And now over here you can see I've got 2 devices. So BPM Connect, which was my first WITHINGS, and then the second one, which is this. I made the mistake. I thought initially it came in flat. Well, I did plug it in for a little while, but when I clicked the button at the back, when I reread the manual, it said that was the pairing. So this one over here, it's a little pairing device. And when I went into the WITHINGS app, it popped up. So I was like, oh, game time to make this video. But yeah, I will maybe do a video also on just doing it once and seeing what the experience is like. So if you're interested in that, definitely have a look. Otherwise, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for hyping, thanks for subscribing, or whatever you ended up doing. Otherwise, just the fact that you got this far, thanks again. Have a lovely day.